Ben Stokes, an inspirational story. Early life. Ben Stokes was born on the 4th of June, 1991 in Newcastle, England. His family was very passionate about cricket. His father, Gary Stokes, was himself a former cricketer who played in New Zealand. Ben developed an interest in cricket since childhood and learned the basics of the game from his father. His mother, Deborah, also played an important role in Ben's sports career. She always encouraged Ben and motivated him to pursue his dreams. Ben started playing for local clubs in his early years and quickly gained attention for his talent. Beginning of cricket career. Ben started his career playing domestic cricket. In 2010, he started playing for Derbyshire. His fast batting and aggressive bowling quickly made him a key player. In 2011, he was selected in the England under-19 squad, where he proved his worth. His first-class performances were so impressive that he was included in the England Test team. In 2013, he made his Test debut against Australia and scored 99 in his first innings, which was a significant moment for him. Facing injuries. Although Ben Stokes' career was progressing rapidly, he also faced injuries. In 2016, he had to stay out of the game due to a serious injury. This time was extremely difficult for him, but he did not give up. He worked hard to recover from his injury and took care of his mental health. This was a time of introspection and self-motivation for him. His perseverance inspired him to return to the field again. Impact of World Cup 2019. The 2019 1cc Cricket World Cup proved to be the most important turning point in Ben Stokes' career. England faced New Zealand in the final. Stokes performed brilliantly in this match, scoring 84 runs and leading his team to victory. The final over of the match was extremely tense. Ben not only performed brilliantly in batting, but he also made a significant contribution when it came to bowling. This match became one of the most memorable matches in England's cricket history. Personal life and challenges. Ben Stokes also faced personal challenges in his life. He faced his father's illness and other family struggles. But he always kept his focus on his game and remained a support to his family. His wife, Callie, also supported him every step of the way. Their marriage gave Ben the mental stability and motivation he needed to move forward in his career. Dedication and inspiration. Ben Stokes' story teaches how one can succeed even after facing difficulties. His dedication, hard work and struggle made him a successful cricketer. Today, he is not only a great player, but also an inspiration for the youth. Conclusion. Ben Stokes' journey teaches us that struggles and hardships are a part of life, but with true hard work and dedication, we can achieve any goal. His story is an inspiration for all those who want to fulfill their dreams. Thus, Ben Stokes is not just a cricketer but an inspiration, showing that success can be achieved even when facing difficulties.